morning class. Welcome to VAP's e-learning again. I am your English teacher Madhulika Dwivedi. And class, as we have completed our chapter number first in language and chapter number explanation of chapter number second, now we have to start exercise. And there are already two exercises in chapter number 2. First is you have to choose the correct noun form according to the given verb, and second same you have to find out the correct noun form and write it in the given space. Both exercise you have to write in your copy, means exercise number A and exercise number B. Both exercise you have to write in your copy. So class, watch the video first and then complete your work, exercise number A and exercise number B. And tomorrow we will complete question answer of reader book chapter number first, the lion and the ants. So watch the video carefully and complete your work. Exercise number A. Choose the correct verb from the bracket and complete the sentence. First is already done for you. The herd of cattle is grazing in the field. Means the herd of cattle. Cattle is plural. Herd means only one herd. So we have to use here is. Economics, as you know, it look like plural but it is singular. So what you have to write here is this pair of shorts needs. Pair of shorts means only one pair of shorts. So you have to write here needs. A disease like mumps is singular. Mathematics is. A lot of hard work needs to be put in this project. Now, yes. 7. All the furniture in the household is antique. Class, furniture is always used as a plural form. All the furniture is always used as a singular. So you have to use is, and if you are talking about past, so you have to write here was. Means furniture is always singular. All the furniture in the household is antique. Your information is also singular. Regarding Pratap's transfer was wrong. Mohit's pair of shoes was stolen. This flock of birds, this means one. This is used for one thing. So is, you have to write here is. All the members of the family have left. Milton's poetry is always used singular verb. This pair of gloves belongs to my sisters. His pair of trousers is hanging in the almirah. Tennis is played by men as well as women. Tennis is look like plural but it is singular. I bought 3 dozen oranges. So class, now exercise number B. You have to choose the correct form of noun and then fill here in the given space. He was fond of bad company. Bad company. The scenery of the Himalayas is very pleasant. Alms were given to the poor. The hunter shoot many deer. Deer is always used in singular form. Means both in singular and plural, deer is same. And we use verb according to the number. Means you have to write deer always It's the same. Riches make men proud. He gave her 500 rupees. The servant didn't tolerate abuse from his master. All the machinery was imported from the USA. Sorry class. She gave us a lot of information. Thousands of people were there to cheer the Indian cricket team. Were means thousands. You have to use here thousand as a plural. Thanks are due to Meena, who arranged the party for me. Thanks are due to Meena, who arranged the party for me. There is no means to know the venue of the celebration. Satish has joined a 4-week management course. He gave me a piece of advice. The boys have gone to buy stationery. Last, the king died without any issue. So class, these two exercises you have to write in your notebook. So don't message and don't call me again and again to ask the same question. Ma'am, which exercise we have to write in copy and which in book. So both exercise of chapter number 2 you have to write in your copy.